So right now it's Labor Day week. Well, Labor Day. So on major bank holidays, you typically want to stay out of the U.S. markets, and you can typically expect most other markets to be kind of slow in the movement because the U.S. market is so huge. So when the banks are closed, it just kind of lags. And like now, it's 10:23 a.m. Gold just closed. So this is a good example. Like, can't do anything on gold, and it's 2:23 a.m. So examples there. Oil market is closed too. The entire stock market is closed, so you can't do anything about that. But yeah, you can try to look at other pairs like this one here. It's not US based, but it did have some small movement. Could have got 40 pips at least, but even still, just be careful. This pair here, I just entered because it was a perfect opportunity. I've been holding this for a while anyways, but even still, there's no volatility really, and we can possibly expect it to correct to kind of match the other markets when it reopens. But beyond that, it's not going to do much because the banks are closed. The big banks are closed, I should say. No banks, no major players, no volatility. And it's just pretty much all the small players like you and me. And retail traders, we don't move the markets a lot compared to what the banks be doing and major news. But yeah, right now, banks are closed in the United States.